Yo, I'm cruising on Chrome with a brand new tool. Pabbly Connect Clipper, no doubt that's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Put now down it to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Our workflows tight, automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Showing off from Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. I manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see. Just select the text and it's history. Google Sheets is waiting, it's all so free. Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Showing off from Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Asleep. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Showing off from Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Asleep.